AI is replacing white-collar jobs. This is true. A few years ago, white-collar jobs were seen as the safest, most prestigious path. Today, machines are not only catching up, they are surpassing human workers in speed, precision, and cost. What once required years of education and training can now be done by an algorithm in seconds. This is Ed Talk. Let's dig in. Chapter 1. The Illusion of Job Security. For decades, students were told the same thing. Study hard, get a degree, land a stable office job, and you'll be safe. But safety was always an illusion. From accountants to copywriters, from legal assistants to financial analysts, AI is dismantling the very foundation of traditional careers. When ChatGPT wrote legal documents that passed bar-level review, and when Midjourney produced ad concepts better than creative teams, the signal was clear. These tools are not here to assist. They are here to replace. Chapter 2. The real reason companies are shifting. It's not about innovation. It's about money. A corporation doesn't care if you have a degree or worked overtime. It cares about margins. When an AI can do the same task with 0 sick days, 0 HR risks, and 0 payroll taxes, the decision is obvious. This is not personal. This is business. CEOs don't lay off people because they hate them. They do it because shareholders demand growth. And AI gives them that growth instantly. Chapter 3. The Rise of the Invisible Workforce. There is a new workforce emerging, and it doesn't clock in or ask for lunch breaks. It's silent, tireless, and scalable. From chatbots handling customer service to GPT-based systems writing news reports, the invisible workforce is growing. It never sleeps. It never complains. And it never asks for a raise. What makes this even more dangerous is that the average worker never sees the threat coming. They think automation only affects factory jobs. They are wrong. Chapter 4. Skills are the new currency. In this new era, your title means nothing. Your skills mean everything. The people thriving today are not the ones with the best degrees, but the ones who can adapt fast, learn AI tools, and build leverage. Being irreplaceable now means knowing how to work with AI, not against it. If you're still clinging to old credentials, you're already behind. Chapter 5. This is just the beginning. We are in the early stages. What GPT-4 can do today, GPT-5 will laugh at. Entire industries will be redesigned. Education, law, marketing, even software development. No sector is safe. If you think your job cannot be automated, think again. Machines don't get tired. They just get upgraded. The question is no longer if you will be affected. It's when. What you can learn from this. White-collar jobs are no longer safe. AI replaces skills, not just tasks. Corporations will choose efficiency over loyalty. The invisible workforce is growing rapidly. Adapting fast is more valuable than any degree. Knowing how to use AI tools is now a survival skill. This is Ed Talk.